Hi, this is Bhaskar here. So good to see you at our APMP Practitioner Certification webpage. So, first of all, congratulations on passing your foundation certifications. Whenever you have done that, that's a great thing. It's now Practitioner. Practitioner, as you know, is application of best practice. So, if you want to know more information about what the Practitioner certification is and frequently asked questions, please scroll down this page and you will find as much information about the Practitioner certification exam. What comes with Baachu Scribble's Practitioner Training course? 2 parts. Number 1, it includes 45 video lessons covering the key competency areas that's examinable in the APMP Practitioner certification. So 45 video lessons. Plus, it also includes 4 webinars where we distill the sample question papers live. So if you missed the live webinars, you could always have access to the webinars. The recordings will be made available. Plus, the course is also available lifetime so that you could review the materials as long as you want, as long as you're comfortable to take the exam. But the only thing is, the course starts the first Friday of every month. So if you register for the course after the Friday of the month, you will still have access to the video lessons, but you will not be having access to the webinar series because we are planning to work with a small group of people on a monthly basis, give them the best, enable them, give them the tools, techniques, sample questions to cover the exam, then move to the next batch. So we are limiting close to 10 to 15 people max for each cohort. So if you have enough information, please click and register, and I'll see you at the APMP Practitioner Certification course. Good luck.